quality players on view today, so sit tight and enjoy the game. Well, I've just been handed the team sheets. Let's see how they'll line up.
A 4-1-2-3 formation, a slightly more cautious version of the 4-3-3, with one midfielder on defensive duty.
And this is the selection for the away side. Referee gets his match underway.
Oh, confident defending. Intercepted. He's speeding ahead. Johnston saves. Gomez. He's darting forward. He's waiting to pull the trigger. Johnston saves. The striker picks it up. He loves to run with the ball. So close, it's hit the bar. It's a throw-in. Throw-in taken short. Here's Bergvall. Wins the ball.
Oh, determined challenge there.
They've taken it down the wing. A no-nonsense challenge. An expert tackle.
Passed well.
Bueno intercepts.
What a chance! Well struck! What a goal! Well, they've taken the lead, and I wonder now whether that will give them some momentum for another goal.
Let's take another look at that. Been scored in the other game.
Surely now!
And that's how it's done. 2 goals today from this exciting player. Let's see the build-up which led to the goal. Here's Bueno. Misplaced pass. There's a 2-0 deficit at half-time, but that can all change in the second half. It's the second half. Some fresh changes have been made. Let's get back underway here. One team have a 2-goal cushion. Will they protect their lead or try and kill off the game?
Oh, well intercepted.
He's moving it around. Great dribbling. He comes forward with the ball. And now Wilson. Johnston saves. There's a goal alert, and it looks like it's all level in that other game. Confident pass. Played to his teammate. That was a cynical foul. The crowd are jeering the player. And here it is, the first booking of the game. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. The board is up and new players coming on. They're not going easy on the opposition today. They're hungry for more. They've won control of the ball. This player's taking charge and moving down the flanks.
Is this a goal?
Johnston saves. Here's Bergvall. And now Wilson. Time for a fresh player to enter the fray. Time for a fresh pair of legs here then. They're winning, but they're still going for more goals.
Oh, not a great challenge. That one looked like it hurt. Did he get the ball, though?
The manager can relax now. This is exactly what he wanted to see.
That's good link-up play.
Good distribution. Dribbled forward by Arias.
Oh, a chance now to turn defence into attack.
And the manager's making a change here.
Now, what can they conjure up from this set piece?
Oh, we got that cross all wrong. Oh, some late drama in the other game. We're hearing there's been a goal right at the end. Great pass. Will he go for glory? Lovely goal. A chance to have a better look here. It looks like he won't get his hat-trick today. He's being subbed off.
Full time. Emphatic 3-0 victory, as the manager couldn't have asked for a better performance from his team.
Well, for me, that's the correct decision. He's put in 100% and gets the Player of the Match award.